use failure as fuel. So don't allow the struggle to make you quit, right? Don't allow the struggle to dissuade you from pursuing what you want to pursue. So I'm going to give you the backstory. So as you guys know, I teach bar, right? Bar is like my specialty. That is what I do. It is my passion. It is my love. It transforms bodies. I'm training women all over the world. YouTube, all this, amazing work that I'm doing with bar. But let me tell you something. In 2015, I'm taking you back. I taught a bar class. I subbed for a really popular instructor. I was working at a corporate gym and I subbed and I was a total rookie. So I walk into this room, it's packed, full. I don't even know how many people were there, maybe 50. It was a corporate gym studio, all women. They're eyeing me like, who's the new girl, right? What is she gonna do? And I tried my best, I did what I knew, but I was a rookie. So out of the corner of my eye, I saw women in the corner, they were laughing at me, they were snickering, they were whispering to each other, and they were, I'm sure they were disappointed because they were expecting the popular, veteran instructor, and here I am, the newbie trying my best, but back then my best was not that good, right? And if I had allowed that moment to crush my soul, to just, completely leave me in despair of well, I can't do this. I must just be awful and I have no future in this, right? This is the end for me. If I had allowed those thoughts, those negative thoughts to hold me back, friends, I would not be here today doing what I'm doing every single day, okay? So what did I do? I took that failure, that perceived failure, that, criticism, people laughing at me, that whole moment, I took that and I was like, you know what? I'm going to get so good at this. That those women that were laughing at me, they're going to come to my class. And that actually happened about 2 years later. I was still teaching for that gym and those same women were taking my class, right? And so I hope that helps somebody today. That message is so key because I've applied it to other areas of my life as well. I'm not afraid to be awful in the beginning, right? I'm not afraid to stumble and fall and fail. I apply it to content as well, right? When I first started posting on TikTok or YouTube, you're unfamiliar with the platform, you're gonna fail a lot, right? You're going to make mistakes. But because I have had so many experiences like that where I see how I can use failure as fuel to make better progress, to just keep accelerating and excelling, I'm just not afraid to be laughed at, right? And to be not to get the troll comments. I'm not afraid because I've had so many of those moments. That's just one story. Where it actually has propelled me into working harder. Okay, so that's my message today. I hope you found that helpful. I'm just looking at the chat. Oh, thank you. I hope you love that story. Yeah. So seriously, it's a really important life lesson. I really feel so many people, if you get laughed at, you just drape on this cloak of shame and you run home. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. I'm here to tell you, if you work hard, you take that failure and you turn it into fuel, you can be unstoppable. You really can. Absolutely. All right. I gotta go. I gotta jump off because you know what? I'm about to teach bar. I'm about to teach bar liked by Lydia, right? Again, it would never have been this way if I had allowed that one day to crush my dreams, to crush my soul, and make me feel like I can't do this. I'm not good, right? Be willing to suck at first. Be willing to be a beginner. Be willing to be laughed at. Be willing to be criticized. Anybody who's achieved anything in life, any level of mastery or expertise has done that. You have to go through the trenches. You can't skip the struggle. You can't go around. I guess you can, but you're never going to get to where you want to go, right? Shortcuts aren't going to lead you where you really want to go. You got to go in there, face up to it. And if people laugh at you, work harder, study harder, get better, right?